I became a designer because I always had a love for fashion and for design. Even as a little girl, I was very particular about my clothes and, more importantly, my accessories. I studied architecture and worked in luxury goods, but then I pursued my career in other fields. But all along, I always had that love for fashion and that desire, more importantly, to create. And so I guess it was going to come out eventually. And that's how I set up Notting Hill Design along with my husband, Stephen. Well, Notting Hill Design was inspired by vintage pieces, specifically those from the Art Deco period in the 40s and 50s, where there was such amazing attention to detail and such beautiful materials, but wanted to give it a more modern edge, specifically with color and texture. From my background in architecture, I've always loved different textures and the juxtaposition of one against the other. And so with Notting Hill Design, we've set out to create a modern brand that brings together beautiful, exquisite quality, craftsmanship, attention to detail, but with vibrant color and use of texture. For each new collection, anywhere from 6 to 12 months will have gone into the making of it. Even though we only produce 2 collections a year, we're working round the clock, looking for new ideas, sources of inspiration, and it's never a dull moment. For each new product that we develop, it can take anywhere from 6 to 9 months just before it's even ready to be shown to a buyer. For example, our Lola clutch we created for a film producer customer of ours. She gave us the mandate of something that was exquisite yet easy to pack. She didn't have to worry about crushing it because she was constantly jetting back and forth between London and Los Angeles, hence the name Lola for the 2 airports. For each of our bags, every component is designed. For example, in this one, we designed these buckles to go just on this bag, and they're all made exclusively for us. You're not going to find this on any other bag. Same thing with the tassels. And what's important for us is just the attention to detail. So for example, on our Orsay hobo, the gusset that opens up to reveal the python skin with the scales going straight down the middle. So as you can see, there's an enormous amount of work and attention to detail that goes into each and every Notting Hill Design bag.